So if you want to learn easy to use shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts that will help you in your work and that will make your work quite easier when you are working in Microsoft Excel, then keep watching this video as I welcome you in Exploranza, and today we'll explore exactly that. So the first shortcut that we'll use here is how to view grid lines and how to hide grid lines. Let's start with it. Its formula is Alt PVG. It's quite simple, and now you are seeing in this Excel worksheet the grid lines are not viewable. These are actually hidden, and now we will type the same formula Alt PVG to view the grid lines. Now you see the grid lines have appeared. Now again you can type the same shortcut again to hide these grid lines. So the shortcut is Alt PVG. That's it. And now the grid lines have got hidden. This was the first formula to view grid lines and to hide them. Now the next formula is very important. It's how to jump between the Excel worksheets. Now I have three sheets over here: sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Now to move from one to the other, we will use control page up and page down. Control page down to go ahead, control page down to go ahead, and control page up to get back towards the previous worksheet. Now I'm on sheet 1. I'll hold down the control key and press page down to go to sheet 2. There we go. And now when I want to go back, I'll hold down the control key and press page up. I'll get back towards sheet 1. So that was the second formula, second shortcut actually, in which we have learned to jump between different worksheets in a workbook of Microsoft Excel. It was control page up and control page down. So here in sheet 2 I have some data. Now we get back towards our first sheet. Now the next formula that we are going to learn is copy and paste. It's a very simple formula that maybe most of you should already know about this. So what we are going to do is, let's say we are going to copy this, control C. To copy anything Microsoft Excel, you have to select that and press control. You have to hold down the control key and press C. Control plus C, you can copy anything. Then here we want to paste it. If we want to paste it, we have to hold down the control key and press V. Control plus V. This is what will paste the entire thing that we have copied. Okay, now let us assume that we did not want to copy it. We want to cut it and paste it. To cut and paste, you have to again select it all, and instead of control C, which copies it, you have to press control X, which will cut it. Now if we will paste it, the selection would be removed and will paste it, will cut the first data and it will paste it where we want to paste it again. So this was our cut and paste function and copy and paste function. They differ in the sense that if you want to copy it, you have to press Ctrl plus C, and if you want to cut it, you have to press Ctrl plus X, and then when you will do Ctrl plus V, it will automatically paste the entire thing. The next thing that we are going to discuss here is how to undo anything. It is very important, as most of the time here we have already cut the thing and we have pasted it over here. Let's say we want to undo it. We have to press Ctrl plus Z and it will undo it. There we go. It has undid everything that was done. It just does in steps. If we'll press again, it will go back again, and then we'll press Ctrl plus Z. Okay, let's not go back further. So here was or a bit styling. Okay, Now the next thing that we are going to learn over here is if we want to paste special function. It's a very important function over here. Let's say we want to select this whole thing and we want to paste the values over here. Now we want to paste values. For paste special function, if you want to paste the values, the formula is alt e s v, and then you'll press enter. Paste special dialog box will appear and it will select values after you have typed alt e s and v, and then you'll press enter. It will automatically paste the values. Now let's suppose if there was some formatting applied over here. Now it was simple. Let's suppose if there was some formatting applied over here, control, let's apply some formatting. It has got colored now. Okay, now if we want to paste the values, if control C, select it, and now we want to paste the values over here, alt e s, without pasting the formats and the formulas, nothing. It will just paste the values. It will select the values from the copied cells and paste over here, alt e s v, and then press enter. It has pasted all the values. Now if we want to paste the formats over here, what we are going to do is, we have already selected it, control C, and from here we want to paste the formats over here. Now what we here, select this, alt e s and T for formats. I'm repeating again, alt e s and T, formats. Press enter. It will paste all the formatting of the copied cells in the cells that we have selected. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do is paste values, paste formats, and paste formulas. Let's say if there was some formula written over here. Let's write some formula is equal to let's sum this all up. So this is the formula. Sorry. Let's sum it all up. Okay, now here's a formula that has been attached, that has been written over here. If we want to paste the formulas, we will type control C and alt e s f for formulas. Press enter, and the formula has been pasted. It was from C4 to C10, it is from D4 to D10, and again if we will do alt e s f, it will again paste the formulas. Alt e s f, it will again paste the formulas. Alt e s f, it will again paste the formulas. Now let's suppose, okay, what the next thing is, now paste everything. To paste everything, what our function will do, we have to select it, control C, with control C, and alt e s a. It will paste all. Press enter, and it has pasted everything. You can also do it with control C and control V, but it's just the same thing again. In paste special, you can also paste control and paste everything, paste all, with paste all function. Now let's clear here. Okay, as well. So the next thing that we are going to learn is current date and current time. It's easy actually. to type current date. Let's suppose we want to type current date over here in Windows. In Microsoft Excel, you have to hold down the control key and press semicolon, and Excel has written the or current date over here. And for current time, you have to hold down the control key, press shift and then this colon again, and just type the current time. So it was easy with control semicolon, control shift plus colon. You can type the current date and current time. To edit the function, let's suppose we want to edit it. Let's suppose you want to edit 643 and make it 645. You can do it with your mouse as well, but it's easy if you want to do it with a shortcut key. Press F2, and it will automatically edit anything. It will automatically edit. So it was 643 to 653. We have converted it. With the F2 key, you can edit it without removing your hands from the keyboard. It's a keyboard shortcut, so it's always easy to do anything with the shortcuts. So next thing is navigation. So now we will learn about navigation. It's when in anything in Microsoft Excel worksheet you want to move from one cell to another, press the control key and press arrow. You will automatically get down, and then the right arrow key, I'll go towards the right corner, the rightmost corner, and then control and up key, you can go towards up. Control down key, you'll go down to the down corner, and you can move from one corner to the other. It's easy. You can just hold down the control key and press arrows, and you will move and navigate in Microsoft Excel. It's quite simple. Okay, the next thing is navigation and selection. Now by just pressing the control key, holding down the control key and moving from one cell to the other, you can move from one cell to the other by pressing the control key and by holding down the control key and pressing the arrow keys. But if you want to select it as well, hold down the control key, press shift, and then when you press the arrow key, it will select everything from one corner to the other corner. So to navigate and select, what you have to do is hold down the control key, press shift, and then press the arrow key like this. Now if we are here in 115, we have to select everything that is coming above it, above 115. Press the control key, hold down the control key, press shift and press the upward arrow, and it will select everything. It was easy, shifting and controlling. Okay, there's another thing as well. If you want to select the entire row, press the shift space bar. It has selected the entire row. And if you want to select the entire column, you have to press control and space bar. It has selected the entire column. Shift space bar for entire row and control space bar for entire column. Okay, let's move forward. So the next thing is insert and delete. So it's actually easy. If you want to insert a row over here, press Alt I R. It has inserted a row. If you want to insert a column, it is Alt I and C. So this was insert rows and insert column. Now the next thing is, if you want to delete these rows and columns, what you're going to do is, this is the column that you want to delete, and you first thing you have to select this column by control and space bar. You have selected it, and then press control plus control minus. It has deleted it. Now you want to delete this row, you have to select this row, shift plus space bar, then control minus. It has deleted this. So it was easy again. Now the next thing is to convert anything into a table. That's a very good function as well. Another function, select this table, select that you want to convert to table, and press Ctrl plus T. This is our data. No, sorry. My table has headers. Okay. So this is what it has converted into a table. It has inserted sort function, filter as well, and it has frozen these columns as well. So it has done everything everything that includes a table, that is included in the table. It is very helpful if you have a large number of data and you want to navigate, you want to sort, you want to filter, you want to do anything in the table. It just helps a lot. Okay, we'll press Ctrl plus C and we have reverted back to our original data. Now the next thing that we are going to do is AutoSum. Now what AutoSum does is it just sums everything that is placed above it. It's a very important function again. If you want to sum the entire thing from here to here, we can write the sum function. It's okay, but by inserting the AutoSum function, it saves a lot of our time. Press Alt and spacebar. It will sum everything. Press Enter. It is summed. Now again, Alt plus spacebar. Sum. Alt and plus function. Alt and plus function. Alt and plus function. Okay, done. Now the next thing is autofill. And what autofill does is, what is written in the above cell, it just copies it and pastes it. Salman is written over here. We'll press Ctrl plus D and we'll paste it. Ctrl plus D. Sorry. Ctrl D. So our next function is, our next shortcut is sort and filter. We've already seen sort. If we want to sort and filter, what we are going to do is select the rows and press Alt HSF. It has applied the sort function. If you want to delete the sort function, again Alt HSF. Sort function has been removed. Alt HSF. There is the sort function. It helps a lot in sorting and filtering. Like if you want to sort by color, sort from smallest to largest, it will sort like this. So this is the data. Control Z. I just removed that. So there it was. It's easy. Sort Alt HSF for sort and filter. The next thing is formatting. So it helps a lot, this formatting function. Select the row, select the entire data and press Ctrl plus 1. It will open the format cells dialog box, and from here you can apply anything, any type of formatting that you want. You want to change the fonts, you want to apply border, you want to fill with color, and whatever you want to do, you can do it from here. It's a very good thing. Okay, and here we go. It has applied all the formatting. So here it was today's this was all about in today's topic. We wanted to learn some basic Excel shortcut keys that are very helpful in doing work in Microsoft Excel. Hope you've liked this video. If you did, do share it with your friends. Do tell us in the comment section if there's anything that we can improve on, and what more you want to learn in Microsoft Excel, more you want to learn, you can type any query in there, and we will surely answer that. And till next time, it's goodbye from